Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be opening up 2 packages, 1 bag and 1 box in the car. Alright, let's see what we got going on today. People are probably looking at me like, what the heck is this lady doing? But I don't care. This is part of the process. Okay. So we got this piggy bank that I ordered from Shein. I like buying these piggy banks because they have no opening. Set little goals for myself, like, okay, this is... I don't know why I'm so nervous right now. I'm sorry. Okay, this is literally part of the process, guys. Like, people are walking around all around me right now, and I feel like they're staring at me, but it's okay. It's all in our head. They're living their lives, and you're living yours. This is like one of those things. But anyways, okay, back to this video. I bought this pig bank to help me save. That's it. I'm gonna start saving again. Next package. I'm gonna be fully transparent and share everything with you guys because I can't be afraid. In this life, we can't be afraid. We just have to be ourselves and just share who we are, because we're human, and this is part of our human experience and learning and growing and all of that. Okay? Alright. Oh my god, I've been waiting for these. I bought these on Whatnot. Okay. They are, let's see the flavors. This one's gonna be peach and this one's gonna be grape. Let's do grape. Good. Feels good too. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching my video.